y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a trunk club unboxing and try on. I love trunk club. I feel like I say that at the beginning of all of these trunk club videos, but last month I did something different and really enjoyed it and y'all seem to really like it. So we're going to do the same thing in this video. My stylist Carson, every time that I get a box, on the app, under each item, there'll be an outfit suggestion section. That's a mouthful. But it gives me an idea of how my stylist sees me pairing these pieces. So we're going to do that in this video as well. I will show you each piece styled. Last month, I ended up keeping a dress that I probably wouldn't have kept had I not styled it. So I think it's really important for me to see visually how these items would look outside of this room, like if I wore them actually outside of my house. This month also, she added a couple of suggestions with pieces that I've kept from Trunk Club in the past, which I really appreciate because it helps me to include things that I already own into potential new outfits. So if you're not familiar with Trunk Club, I will leave a direct link to sign up in the description box down below. It is a clothing subscription box. It's a Nordstrom box. I'll also leave links to everything I'm trying on in this video. That way, if you don't want to sign up, then there's, a direct way for you to buy something. My measurements are there as well in case you're interested to see what size I try on and what fits me versus what my measurements are. And per usual, Trunk Club comes with quite a few pieces, so I'm excited to hopefully find something new. There's sequins in here. So sequins, makes me happy. Also, I haven't done my hair straight in what feels like forever because I just like it curled and I feel like a new woman. I'm pretty sure that I just hit the jackpot with this first outfit. I was just taking some pictures. Okay, let me back up and show you. Okay, here we go. Why do I love the shoes? Alright, so let's first talk about the sweater. This is the brand BP. It's the cable knit sweater in a size 3X. These jeans are the Wit and Wisdom brand. That is probably one of my most favorite brand of jeans. I own probably 2 or 3 pair, all came from Trunk Club and I love them. These are called the Absolution Itty Bitty More High Waist Bootcut Jeans. And then the shoes are Angela Pointy Toe Mules Dolce Vita in snake print leather. Okay, this entire outfit is adorable. The jeans, I love the jeans. They're super high-waisted. They fit so well. I mean, look at that. I love them. The sweater is super cute. I thought it would be cropped when I put it on initially, just from holding it up, but it's the perfect section of my body where it sits. I think it looks nice. All right, the shoes. I love these shoes. They're pointy toe mules, snake print mules, and I didn't think that I would like them as much. Funny story, when I first saw the preview on the app, they were gonna send me these shoes in black, and there's always an option if there's other colors, you can go in and say, don't send me that color, send me this one instead. And I saw the snake print and opted for that one, and I'm so glad that I did. So I think this is a really cute, winter outfit. How pretty, right? When it's super cold outside, you could pair it with a tan, light camel colored, big chunky scarf and put a big jacket over it. I mean, the only thing though is your heels are out in the back. If it's super cold outside. Okay, first one is a good one. Here's the shoes again, if you want to see them without me wearing them. They've got a little bit of a chunky heel on them, super pointed toe. These, I believe, are in a size 10. Size 10, and they fit perfect. But these are really cute. So next outfit we have are the same jeans and shoes, but we're featuring this jacket. So I already own this striped top. I kept this from Trunk Club a couple months ago. The only thing in the picture doesn't tell me what I'm supposed to do with the sleeves. Do I just tuck in the sleeves to the jacket? Is that what I'm supposed to do? All right, this jacket is the brand Vince Camuto. In the color Port, it's called the Ruched Sleeve Ruched Sleeve Pump Blazer. And here we go. This is the full outfit. It does have actual pockets, which kind of remind me of cardigan pockets, the way that they are. The model had the shirt tucked in, though the picture doesn't show this outfit together, but I went ahead and tucked it in because I felt like that's what I was supposed to do. I like the blazer. I don't know if I like this outfit together. Like if the shoes were maybe black or tan, I might like them a little bit better with this outfit. But I do like the blazer. I mean, I think it's really soft. It's really comfortable. The brand, Vince Camuto, we know is a nice brand. It's a little bit pricey. But the fit of this blazer is really good. It sits at like a great spot on my back side and the front side. Do we like it? Next thing we have is the same jeans again, but I think this is the last time maybe that I'm wearing them. All right, so this sweater is from the brand Leith, L-E-I-T-H. It's called the Ribbed Puff Shoulder Sweater. It is definite, look at that. It's definitely puffed. The shoes you're going to see are Steve Madden Gills Platform Slip-On Sneakers in gray suede, size 9.5. I'll tell you, it took a little bit of work to get into them. So this is the full outfit. I just love the jeans. Like Wit and Wisdom, honestly, is like my favorite brand of jeans. Okay, so the sweater is very thin despite what it looks like. It's almost like if you stretch it a little bit too far, you can see through it. But again, it sits at like a really great spot on me. The sleeves, I appreciate so much that it's fitted at this part. Otherwise, I feel like this like balloon sleeve can just look a little bit bulky on me if it's not a little bit snug somewhere. While I like it in theory, I don't know if it's like the best look on me. My arms, I tend to carry a little bit of extra weight up there, and so I feel like this kind of just, you know, adds to the like width up there. All right, the shoes I think are really pretty. They're these, you know, white and gray suede sneakers, size 9.5. Like I said, they do fit. And once I got them on, they fit like they're supposed to fit, but getting them on was a chore. And I do also feel like the heel, like after you wear them, they may rub a little bit. You know how you can tell when you wear shoes if they're gonna like irritate you or not? So I like them, and I do wear shoes like this pretty often nowadays. But I think these are pretty pricey, so here's a look at the back of the sweater too. So this is the next outfit that we have. This dress is the brand Rachel Roy. It's called the Alley Floral Print Long Sleeve Dress in a size 2X. Now, they didn't give a suggestion for this outfit, so I just paired it with these booties that are already in this room. I wore them in my most recent Target video just to show a couple different dresses, so I just threw those on with this. All right, this fits so good. How pretty is this, first of all? Okay, it's gorgeous. Second, I put it on and realized that it's got like layers of ruffles. How pretty. This would be really pretty if you had like a wedding shower to go to or something. Like it's a formal, like flirty dress, but it's not too over-the-top formal in my opinion. This is gorgeous. However, it's a little bit, if you can tell from the side, like it's a little bit tight when like I do things with my arms. So these like just open, sorry, they just open like wide up, wide open. There's like nothing in there to block anything. So I feel like they should have put some sort of something there to kind of block that. But how pretty and like fun and girly is this dress. It does also have the elastic band here to cinch in at the waist. I tied this belt on the side because that's how the model had it tied. Here's a look at the back. I feel like I should keep this. Like I have no idea where I'm going to wear this to, but it's such a pretty, like such a good fitting dress that I feel like I should keep it. What do we think? Where can I wear this to? Like this would be cute paired with like some cowboy boots. Like for a casual like girls night too. That's what I want to do in this dress, and I don't know why. I just feel like this is so fun. All right, so the dress is the brand Eloquy. It's called the Sequin Easy Long Sleeve Dress in a size 20. These are DKNY Control Top Opaque Navy. They look black to me, tights. And then these booties I already own. They're the brand Blondo. I kept them in a trunk club, from a trunk club, I guess I should say, a few months ago. I don't know if the boots go with it because they've got this like brown heel. I would probably just wear those black booties that I already own. But this dress is like bat wing, big at the top, fitted down here. These tights took a little bit of work to get into. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sweating right now, but that's okay because I think that they just add to the outfit. This is such a fun, like, New Year's Eve type outfit. And I love the white sequins. Like, how fun is this? Do I need a dress for New Year's Eve? Absolutely not. But do I want this one? Yes. So the very last thing I have is a blazer. It's the brand Sanctuary. It's called the Editor Houndstooth Blazer in a size 2X. Now this one didn't have an outfit suggestion on the app, but Carson left a note and said she thought it would be cute to kind of dress up a pair of jeans. So what I did is I just put on these Wit and Wisdom jeans. This top I kept from Trunk Club a while ago, and I've never worn it. So I figured we'll test this out and see if this would be a cute outfit. I didn't do the black and white stripe top because I felt like the stripes and the houndstooth would kind of clash a little bit. So here we go. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so. I think this fits me more like a cardigan, and on the model, like on the app, it was more of like a fitted jacket, you know? Nah, yeah. This is not me. I like the idea of a blazer with jeans. I think that's brilliant to like dress up an outfit and pair it with like some wedges or something. But I don't think that this is it for me. All right, so let's wrap it all up. You've seen prices for everything. I think I really like the jeans. Like these Wit and Wisdom, I'm still wearing them right now, fit amazing, and I know how this brand fits me and how much I like it, so I feel like that's worth an investment for me. The other thing that I do also really like is this white cable knit sweater. I don't have a white sweater that looks like this. I do have a cropped Madewell white sweater that I think is really cute with like high-waisted jeans, but this one is just a nice option for every day, like when you don't want something cropped. The dress, like the floral dress, is really pretty. But I'm trying to not just keep things. Like I don't have anywhere that I need to wear it, so I should probably send it back. The sequins dress was fun, but I don't have any plans either. Like, y'all know I just hauled a bunch of sequins and like party dresses for New Year's Eve. And if I had plans to do something, maybe I would consider keeping this one or one of those, but I don't have anything to do. So I think what I'm going to do in this video is just keep these jeans because I love them so much. So, like I mentioned, everything that you just saw me try on will be linked. Oh, the shoes. Those pointy, like, snake print mules are fun. So I may consider those too. I'll put in the description box what I actually end up keeping. That way, if you want a spoiler ahead of time, or if you just want to know what I ended up keeping. So that's a wrap on this video. A link to sign up for Trunk Club is in the description box down below. Like I said, links for all of these items plus my measurements to give you an idea of what you think you may need. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I prefer these like styling videos now, I think. I do so many unboxings that a lot of times I just try things on and I can't picture them, like I mentioned in the beginning. I can't picture them like on me styled wearing out of this house. So I think it's nice to style things to give me an idea of what it would look like in the streets, as the kids these days say. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.